Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Disco Ball.
Oh, hello everyone. I hope everybody's awesome and safe out there. Well, today we're going to try the Dairy Queen Red Velvet Blizzard. So, I guess it's time for this time of year for Valentine's Day. So, I got myself a small. It's got red velvet cake pieces and some cream cheese mixed in there. And let's give this a try. Pretty good, guys. Not bad at all. I think this is pretty much for Valentine's Day, so. Starting to melt. Because I had this, you know, I had to drive a little bit away from the Dairy Queen. So, I got a small, as you can see. This is really good. Red velvet pieces. Red velvet cake pieces. So, you can really taste the cake pieces in this. Red velvet cake pieces. It's supposed to have like a cream cheese filling or in there, so. And it's a pink looking, as you can see. Cream cheese filling. This is actually good, guys. Like I said, this is good. This ain't something I would get all the time. But it's something I would get, you know, it's probably a limited time. But it is good. You can taste the cream cheese filling and the red velvet. It's really good if you like red velvet. I'm not a big, huge fan of red velvet cake. It's okay. I mean, it's not my favorite, but it's okay. It's not my go-to cake, but this is actually good. But you can taste a lot of the red velvet cake, which I expected. But it's all right to me. But like I said, it ain't something I would get all the time if it was out all the time. I mean, it's okay. It's good, but it's my 2 thumbs up. Like I said, you can barely taste. I could taste a little bit of the cream cheese filling. But the red velvet cake is the one I can really taste. But, hey, it's my 2 thumbs up. I like it. So, hey, I hope everybody enjoyed this review on this red velvet cake blizzard from Dairy Queen. So, I hope everybody has a good one. Everybody have a good Friday evening and have a great weekend coming up. So, we finally made it this Friday. So, everybody have a good one. Thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you guys' support. You guys are so awesome.